So, as a reminder, in order to use substitution, you need one isolated variable. In order to use elimination, your like terms should be stacked. So, in this problem here, I see that this y is totally alone on that side of the equal mark. So we do have one isolated variable. So we can use substitution for this problem. Now, let's just see if elimination's ready. Are the like terms stacked? These y's are not on top of each other. This x is on the left side, this x is on the right side. So these are not perfectly stacked on the same side in order for this to work, okay? So I'm gonna use substitution. You could rearrange this by moving that 2x over there so your like terms are stacked for elimination, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use substitution with one isolated variable. So I'm gonna circle that isolated variable, I'm gonna box what it's equal to, then I'm gonna find whatever that variable I circled, I'll find it in the other equation and circle it as well. Because now I know I can take what this y is equal to and swap it out for the y in the other equation. So I'm gonna make a nice big parentheses there. Took that whole thing and whatever I circled up there becomes a big parentheses. So now whatever y is equal to can replace it down there in that parentheses. And now we're gonna solve this equation, and then we'll plug in the solution for y. And we already know from our graph that x should equal -7 and y should equal +4. So we'll start with a little distribution. -4 times 2x is -8x. 4 times 18, I do not have that in my mental math, so I'll just jot it down to the side here, is gonna give us 72. Negative times a positive is -72, equals 5. I'll combine my like terms. -3 minus 8 goes down to -11x, minus 72 equals 5. And then I'll add that 72 to each side. Get -11x equals 77. Divide both sides, and voila. I get that same x equals -7 that my graph already confirms. And now we're gonna plug that in to make sure we get y. I'm gonna choose this bottom one because y is already alone over there. So y is equal to 2 parentheses, my answer, plus 18. So y is equal to -14 plus 18. Y is equal to +4. And voila, that is the answer that should be nice and confirmed with our graph.